Sort of hearty stew pilgrims used to eat in a monastery.
I'm gonna cook lamb with peas. It's so delicious. Slowly cook. Antonio is looking at me with that face to say, when are you gonna make it?
I'm hungry.
He's always hungry. But this is, I guarantee, it is so nice. It's so oily as well. This is a traditional dish we make with Easter, but it's traditional Easter, but you can have them every day. So, I'm going to start for cutting some meat. This is the shoulder of a lamb. You can see I even left a little bit of the fats on it, because fat dissolves slowly will give a lovely flavour. And, here I'm just going to do a big chunk of a lamb, which I cut them this way.
I have a plate here.
So I'm going to put everything inside the plate here and season a little bit. Then inside, and then I mix with my hand. While Antonio's hold it, bravo Antonio. And then I'm going to have an onion, so roughly chopped. Because it's going to cook for a long time. So if you cook them too thin, they will almost dissolve. Cut them in a carrot, quite big pieces. I'm going to put some olive oil in a pan.
Abundant olive oil.
Abundant like you like it. Onion, go straight in. You can hear lovely music. Then I'm going to have a celery. So roughly chopped like that.
Very big, eh?
Don't forget, they're going to cook for a long time. Then you get the garlic. Just crush it. Crush it. Crush it. Crush it.
My goodness, yes, Tom.
Have them inside. Then you get the chili. So,
With the seeds.
with the seeds. Okay, this is a little bit slow. You know what I'm going to do it? I'm going to put right underneath, because I wanted them to have a little bit more high power. Now I'm going to put some anchovies. It's about 5 fillets of anchovies. This is the music. I love it to hear it. It tells me then I can put the meat inside.
Yeah, there you are.
It's empty inside. If you cook at home, yes, will be on high flame. Because I needed to seal the meat. I need to get a flavour out, to get the fat which is around the lamb, to dissolve it.
Yeah. What do you put on it now?
A little bunch of thyme. I will put a little bit of wine inside.
White, yes?
White wine, yeah.
Could be red as well.
Do you know what, Antonio? I prefer white. Also, I will add a little bit of vinegar.
Vinegar and lemon as well. They have this property to really lift up flavor.
Now, we're going to leave it for about 20 minutes.
Give it a steer.
I will, yeah, okay, I'll give him a stir. And I will move him up. Yeah?
Yep.
And then I'm going to put inside the rest of the ingredients. You see, 20 minutes go by now. I put a few more logs of wood underneath. Now the fire starts to get too hot. So I have to put it down a little bit. And I'm going to quarter the potato. But I don't want them to do too thin. If it dissolve it. You have them inside. Then you will put 200 grams of a cherry tomato.
You know that I like to squash the tomatoes like that.
Okay, to make you happy, Antonio.
Yeah,
do you know why you want me to do that? Let me show you why you want to make me like that. Because if I do like that, look. Are you happy?
I'm not happy because you should have squashed it in another way, not direct in my face.
Now, 250 grams frozen peas. And make sure you defrost them inside the bag, just to leave them out.
Of all the frozen food, the only one that I really accept are the peas and perhaps the broad beans. Because it's the only one that really they're collected fresh and they're very tender.
Now, at this stage, stir them a little bit. Now, hold on, Antonio. I'm going to put them on top of my chopping board. So you add a little bit of water. I don't put any stock or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
And now, get some nice aluminium foil, just like that. And cook for about, on very low gas, for about 40 to 45 minutes.
45 minutes. I am hungry now, actually. Shall I go and have a walk or something like that, or what?
No, we play a nice game of a card.
Wow, look at this. Yeah, no, I know. Don't look at my card.
I just was saying, don't look at your card.
And 7 it is.
Yeah?
Yes.
7. 9.
Listen, do you want to win all the time?
I won.
Come on.
Yeah, I won. Why you want to cheat?
You are cheating.
You got. Why you don't want to
I
accept?
don't play with you anymore.
You said this one for the last
Give me
30
something
years.
to eat, actually. I am hungry.
Oh. Oh, the flavour.
Lovely.
You can think of what is over here.
Give it to me, Gennaro, that one.
This is your plate.
No, this is my plate.
Okay, Evan.
That's yours.
Why are you having a big one? I having a small one.
Give me a fork. I am hungry. It's waiting all the time for this.
Yeah, me too. But why are you going to have a big one? Man, you, how can it
the
talk?
smell is wonderful, Gennaro. Delicious.
Yeah, I done it again.
I am very glad to have a big plate.